Welcome to Vibrant Garden. It's April. The planting window is opening. Fast region by region checklist. Get delicious harvests rolling now. Plant now checklist. East Coast first. Lettuce, spinach, arugula, peas, carrots, beets, radishes, broccoli, kale, green onions, potatoes, onions. Starting tomatoes, peppers, keep them indoors. Use a cold frame transplant after your last frost, often late April to May depending on your zone. West Coast, Pacific Northwest, stay cool season a bit longer. Peas, brassicas, charred potatoes, onions, parsley, cilantro. Slug patrol is real. Use traps. Hand-pick them California and milder coastal pockets. You can plant warm season now. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, beans, squash, basil, inland heat. Add mulch early to keep roots cool. Southern states, tomatoes, peppers, squash, cucumbers, okra, southern peas, cowpeas, melons, sweet potatoes, basil, dill. For greens that won't quit in warming weather, try Swiss chard, or heat lovers like Malabar spinach soil tips. Aim for loose, well-drained soil with lots of organic matter. Mix in 1 to 2 inches of compost across the bed. Target a pH around 6.0–7.00 for most veggies. If your soil is still cold, warm it up with black mulch or a clear plastic cover for a week before planting. Containers? Use high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. Add slow-release organic fertilizer at planting. Watering that works. Keep seedlings evenly moist. Think gentle, frequent sips. For established plants, water deeply in the morning 2 to 3 times per week, depending on rain and temperature. Goal: about 1 inch of water per week in spring. Use mulch to cut evaporation by up to half and reduce weeds. I'll drop a quick April checklist in the description so you can screenshot and plant with confidence. If this helped, drop your zone and what you're planting in the comments. And subscribe to Vibrant Garden for more weekly tips.